Hey guys, what is going on? It's me. Wow, stroke. You have the ability. You've been given the gift of my great big butt. And about a day ago, the channel just hit 1 subscriber. My dad spent some good money on that, so I went and rewatched my video, and somebody commented saying, "I want to do on you, okay, do." He was spot on. That was incredible. So I look back at my old videos and I see myself. It's like I remember what was going through my mind when I made those videos. You know, typically you go 20, 110, 50, and then 30. In fact, the channel's gonna be 100,000 decades old next year. Oh man. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to follow YouTubers I used to be crazy about, and I've gotten those comments that you hear other YouTubers talk about where it's like, I'm watching you. Alright. See ya.